Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone on your phone. First, let's get your device ready. You'll need a compatible smartphone with at least 6 GB of RAM and a strong, stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi. Make sure you have at least 8 GB of free storage for the game and its updates. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience right from the start. Now that your phone is ready, it's time to download the game. Head over to your device's App Store, either the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and search for Call of Duty: Warzone Mobile. Look for the official application from Activision. Once you find it, tap to download and install. The initial download size is typically around 3 GB, but expect additional in-game downloads. With the game installed, let's get you set up. Launch Warzone Mobile and accept the terms of service. You'll then be prompted to log in with your Activision account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to create a new one directly within the game. After logging in, you'll likely go through a short tutorial, which is great for familiarizing yourself with the touch controls and game mechanics. To enhance your gameplay, dive into the Settings menu. You can adjust graphics quality to balance visuals and performance, ensuring smooth frame rates. Experiment with the control layout to find what feels most comfortable for you. There are many customization options. Remember, practice makes perfect, so jump into various game modes and enjoy the action. Good luck out there, soldier.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.